So now that you are clear with how to figure out the average speed, let's see if you can solve these exercises.
All set to roll. Bring them on.
Statement Problems Level 1. A train travels at an average speed of 80 kilometers per hour and a plane at 800 kilometers per hour. Which one travels faster? Since 800 is more than 80, we can clearly see that the plane travels faster than the train. Marvelous! Average speed of a rolling ball is 16 centimeters per second, and that of a marble is 20 centimeters per second. Which one is slower?
Thank you for watching. Enroll now. To access all 64 videos totaling 7 hours and 4 minutes, featuring introductions, examples, and exercises for Grade 6 Math.